Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the Smart Key Biometric by Vaultek. Let's check it out. Alright, so the Smart Key Biometric arrived to me in a pretty small little box here. You can see right here on the front, there's a picture of the Smart Key Biometric. Just a bunch of specs right here on the sides. And then when I turn it around to the back side, right here on the bottom, all the Vaultek safes that it's compatible with. Also comes with a micro USB charger and an owner's manual. But let's put all this to the side right now and let's check out the Smart Key Biometric. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of it. Right here on the back we have some 3N mountable tape. Right here on the top we have our program button, and then on the bottom here we have our micro USB port. Right dead center we have our biometric scanner, and around that biometric scanner we have our status light LED ring. And yes, this is a case right here, so if you do have it mounted to a surface, you can still easily disconnect it to charge it. All right, let's run down some specs of the Smart Key Biometric. So it can run up to 3 months on a 2.5 hour charge. That's pretty awesome. It has a range of up to 20 feet. So that will determine where you want to mount this based on where your safe is. It can store up to 20 fingerprints, including the admin fingerprint. And I already mentioned this, but it is mountable with this 3M tape in the back here. And after you register your fingerprints, it's just a one-touch entry into your safe. All right, so let's talk about the safes that it's compatible with. It's compatible with the Slider series, the VT series, the MX series, which is the one I have, and the RS series. So that means it's not compatible with the 10 series, 20 series, or Essential series models. Now with my MXI Smart Safe, I did get a Smart Key Nano, but I didn't like using this because, as you can see, anybody can just come along and press the button and access my safe. So basically, if you wanted this Smart Key to work with your safe, you really had to hide it well, especially if you have kids in your house. Because just say, for example, they stumble across this Smart Key Nano, push the button, opens up your safe, and who knows what you guys have in there. So that's why when they announced the Smart Key Biometric, I was pretty excited because you can have this basically right out in the open, and unless it has your registered fingerprint, you can't get in. So this is truly a secure panic button because you don't have to worry about anyone just stumbling across it, pressing the button, and getting in your safe. All right, so let's quickly run down how to program this thing. So first, what you want to do is press the program button on the top. Once you do, the status indicator LED will turn red, and then after it turns red, whatever fingerprint you want to use as admin, just make sure you get 3 good scans of it. It'll turn green and you're good to go. So let's do that right now. So press it, turns red, and 1, 2, 3, turn green, made a noise. My admin fingerprint is set. Now you can register 19 more fingerprints. All you have to do is repeat the same process, except when you press that program button, instead of turning red, it'll be yellow. That yellow light means it wants you to use the admin fingerprint to gain access. And then after you have access with the admin fingerprint, now you can go ahead and register whatever fingerprint you want. So let's do that now. So press it, turns yellow, admin fingerprint, turns red, and now we'll do the 4-finger. 1, 2, 3, there you go. So now I have my thumb as admin and my 4-finger as an extra fingerprint. So this is how you program it to the safe. So gain access to your safe here. And of course, I'm using the Vaultek MXI Wi-Fi enabled safe. So right here, you see the program button and the number 5. So in the MXI safe, what you have to do is hold the program button and 5 down at the same time. So right there, you'll see Smart Key pairing. So let's try to pair this right now. So hold the program and the 5 down. Right there, connecting, just hold down your thumb, your admin, and right there it makes a bunch of beeps. Now we're paired. All right, so now that we're paired up, let's test it out. So locked up, good, and just hold down my thumb. Boom, opens right up, great. And now let's test it with a fingerprint that I didn't scan, maybe my middle finger here. So middle finger, no. Nothing doing. And just so you know, it does have a security feature that if it receives 8 consecutive incorrect fingerprints, it'll lock it out for 4 minutes. And also what you want to do is go into the Vaultek app and make sure your Smart Key entry is turned on. And then you can see it has a couple modes, progressive and on demand. On demand means once you press the button here, it'll instantly let you in. Progressive means the safe has to be awake first, just like that. All the keys have to light up. Then you can press the button, then it'll let you in. Or if you don't want to have the Smart Key to have access at all, just turn it right off in the app. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Smart Key Biometric by Vaultek? This was actually one of the accessories I was waiting for Vaultek to make. I love the idea of having the panic button hidden somewhere around the house, but I just didn't like the idea of the Smart Key Nano where anyone can just press it and get in my safe. But they solved this problem by making the Smart Key Biometric. If you guys want to pick one of these up right now, it's $84.99 on the Vaultek website. And I will leave links below right in my description box. No, those links are not affiliate links. I am not sponsored by Vaultek. So if you do click on those links, I don't see a dime. I just put them down there to make it easier for you guys. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and go!